Behind the scenes. How games are made. Welcome to Behind the Scenes, where we take you on a journey through the intricate process of game development. From initial concepts to the final product, creating a game involves multiple steps and a talented team of creators. Today, we'll explore the game development process and highlight the 10 best examples of how games are made. Let's dive in. The game development process. Game development is a complex but rewarding process. Here's a breakdown of the key steps involved. 1. Concept development. Every game begins with an idea. This stage involves brainstorming concepts, defining the genre, and determining the target audience. It's all about establishing the vision for the game. 2. Pre-production. Once the concept is solidified, developers create a game design document, GDD. This document outlines gameplay mechanics, story elements, art style, and technical requirements. Prototyping may also begin here to test core gameplay ideas. 3. Production. This is where the magic happens. Artists, designers, and programmers work together to create the game. Assets like characters, environments, and animations are developed, while programmers write the code that brings everything to life. 4. Testing. Quality assurance, QA. Teams thoroughly test the game to identify bugs and ensure gameplay is smooth and enjoyable. Feedback is gathered and used to make improvements. 5. Launch. Once testing is complete and the game is polished, it's time for launch. Marketing campaigns kick in to promote the game, and it's released on various platforms. 6. Post-launch support. After launch, developers continue to support the game with updates, patches, and downloadable content, DLC. This phase can also include community engagement to gather player feedback. 10 best examples of game development. Now that we understand the development process, let's take a closer look at 10 iconic games and how they were made. These behind-the-scenes stories showcase the creativity and effort involved in game development. 10. The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild. 1. Overview. Developed by Nintendo, this open-world game redefined the Zelda franchise. Its development involved extensive world building and player freedom. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. The team focused on creating a living world with dynamic weather and ecosystems, enhancing immersion. 9. Minecraft. 1. Overview. Created by Marcus Persson, Minecraft started as a simple sandbox game and evolved into a global phenomenon. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. Persson's iterative approach allowed players to influence game features, leading to a community-driven development process. 8. The Last of Us. 1. Overview. Naughty Dog's narrative-driven game received critical acclaim for its storytelling and character development. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. The development team emphasized motion capture to create realistic character animations and emotional depth. 7. Fortnite. 1. Overview. Epic Games Battle Royale took the world by storm with its unique building mechanics and vibrant visuals. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. Frequent updates and community feedback shaped its evolution, keeping the game fresh and engaging. 6. God of War, 2018. 1. Overview. This reboot of the franchise focused on a more personal story between Kratos and his son, Atreus. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. The team utilized a single-shot camera technique to enhance storytelling and immersion. 5. Dark Souls. 1. Overview. From Software's action RPG is renowned for its challenging gameplay and intricate level design. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. The developers focused on creating interconnected worlds, rewarding exploration and player skill. 4. Super Mario Odyssey. 1. Overview. Nintendo's 3D platformer showcases Mario in a vibrant, expansive world. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. The team emphasized creativity in level design, allowing for multiple ways to solve challenges. 3. The Witcher 3: Wild Hunt. 1. Overview. CD Projekt Red's open-world RPG is celebrated for its storytelling and rich world. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. Extensive research and real-world inspiration contributed to the game's depth and authenticity. 2. Red Dead Redemption 2. 1. Overview. Rockstar Games created a sprawling, immersive world set in the Wild West. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. The attention to detail in character interactions and environments set a new standard for open-world games. 1. Hades. 1. Overview. Supergiant Games roguelike has been praised for its innovative gameplay and engaging narrative. 2. Behind-the-scenes insight. The development team embraced player feedback, resulting in a game that constantly evolves with each run. Tips for aspiring game developers. If you're inspired to create your own games, here are some tips to get started. 1. Learn the basics. Familiarize yourself with programming languages, game engines, like Unity or Unreal Engine, and design principles. 2. Start small. Begin with small projects to build your skills and gain experience. Consider developing simple games to practice. 3. Collaborate. Work with others to learn different perspectives and skills. Game development is often a team effort. 4. Seek feedback. Share your work with others and be open to constructive criticism. Feedback helps you improve and grow as a developer. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the game development process and some iconic titles that shaped the industry. From concept to launch, the journey of game creation is truly a remarkable feat. Thank you for joining us on Behind the Scenes. If you found this episode inspiring, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Get ready to embark on your own game development journey.